Whale Plain Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Just the way we like them.
Your destination is Whale Plain Island. A jumbo giant whale plane is landing.
What's a whale plane?
Whale planes are like airplanes, only much bigger.
This whale plane is so big, the runway that's there now isn't long enough for it to land on. Your mission is to build a super long runway so the whale plane can land.
That sounds simple enough.
Maybe not. The whale plane is on its way, so you don't have much time. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Whale Plain Island.
This looks like a good place to build a new runway.
What do we do first?
We need something to build the runway with.
I wonder what's in this big crate.
It's full of rapid runway ribbon.
Rapid runway ribbon? Great! What's rapid runway ribbon?
Rapid runway ribbon is precisely what we need to build a runway. You'll see, we just have to get it out of the crate. It's quite heavy.
The mighty Sasquatch, making it happen! This stuff is heavy!
You're sitting on my head.
It will take a strong lifter to pick up that runway ribbon. And carry it all the way over there.
Who's the strongest lifter?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex! Mechana Strong!
I love watching Rex move stuff.
This stuff doesn't taste too bad.
No time for a snack, Big Green Machine. The whale plane will be landing soon.
Okay.
Runway ribbon nails to nail the runway down. Excellent.
A little more this way. More. Stop.
I'll unroll it.
I'll hold down the end.
We'll get the next piece. Mouse, use your super ears to listen for the whale plane.
Mouse, making it happen.
Runway ribbon unrolled. That was easy.
Sasquatch, don't step up! Runway ribbon.
It's probably not a good idea to step off the runway ribbon. It rolls back up.
Oh, I noticed that. The runway ribbon will keep rolling back up unless we nail it down. Whoa!
Trouble?
We're having trouble holding down the runway ribbon.
We'll help.
But if we all just stand here, we'll never get the job done.
You don't need 4 animal mechanicals to do this job. You just need one mighty Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy!
Good work, Sasquatch. Back to work, everyone.
I'll get the nails.
You need me to pound them?
No, no. Keep holding the runway ribbon down. I have the right tool for this job. Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa. Hi-ya! No. No. Whoops. What are those doing in there? Aha! One mighty Mechana hammer to the rescue! Cha!
Handy dandy tool time!
There. Done.
Nice teamwork, partner.
Hi-ya! Hee!
We have a lot more runway to build before the whale plane can land.
We can do this! I hear something!
Wow! The whale plane. It's coming.
But we haven't finished the runway.
Hey! Where's it going?
I don't think the whale plane knows where the new runway is.
Yoo-hoo! Whale plane, down here! Here's the runway! Come back! It's leaving.
It can't see us.
We need to find a way to get up to the whale plane and show it where to land.
Impossible. Even I can't stretch to the sky.
But nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals, right?
Animal mechanicals can do anything. Unicorn!
Mechana fly!
Quick, everyone! We need to finish the runway before the whale plane gets here.
This way, whale plane!
She's using her magic horn to guide the whale plane to the runway.
Follow me!
The whale plane is landing! Get off the runway!
One more nail.
Please finish hammering. Pretty please.
Finished. Oh!
Oh! Whoa!
It worked! The whale plane has landed!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
I wonder what's inside the whale plane.
It appears we are about to find out.
More rapid runway ribbon!
Looks like we have more runways to build. Mechana, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!
The elephant train.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, animal mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Right.
Okay.
Your destination is Elephant Train Island. Falling rock blocks have blocked the entrance to the tunnel, and the elephant train can't get through.
Uh-oh, not good.
You'll have to hurry. The elephant train is carrying a load of snow cones from the icy mountaintop.
Snow cones! Yummy!
The cones will melt if they don't get to the station soon.
No problem for animal mechanicals.
Your mission is to clear away the rock blocks so the elephant train can get through the tunnel. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Elephant Train Island.
Hey! Yeah! The rock blocks are indeed blocking the tunnel entrance.
They look heavy.
They look yummy.
Yummy!
Yummy snow cones!
You're making the elephants nervous, big guy. It's okay, elephants. Rex just likes to eat.
Rex likes to eat.
Let's move these rock blocks.
Ooh. Ha.
It's going to take forever to move all of these rock blocks.
We'll never get the tunnel opened up before the snow cones melt.
I calculate it's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals.
Yeah!
But we would have to be impossibly strong to move all these blocks in time.
Impossibly strong? I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex! Mechana Strong!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
Go, Rex, go!
I love watching Rex move stuff. Just one more, Rex.
The tunnel is cleared! Yay!
Yay! Bye-bye, yummy snow cones.
Uh-oh. Why is the train stopping?
Curious.
Let's look on the other side.
There's the problem. The fallen rock blocks have also broken the bridge.
And now the train can't get across.
Look! The snow cones are starting to melt!
We've got to save the snow cones! We've got to save the snow cones! We've got to save the snow cones!
We'll save them, Rex. Animal mechanicals can do anything, remember?
Right, we can do anything!
Except we can't build a new bridge in time.
Is there anything around here we could use for a bridge?
Something long and straight that we can stretch across there.
Nope, nothing around here.
There is someone that can stretch.
Huh? Hey, wait a minute. I just had an idea. I can stretch. Huh, Sasquatch. Bacana stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Here I go!
I do not believe he is long enough to reach the other side.
I can't watch.
Come on, Sasquatch. Just a little more. Stretch. Got it!
He made it.
Okay, elephant train. You have a new Sasquatch bridge.
Bye-bye again, yummy snow cones.
That tickles. Whoa!
Sasquatch, look out!
The train is sliding backwards. We've got to save the train.
How? We can't even get to it.
Animal mechanicals never give up. Unicorn!
McKenna, fly! But how is she going to save the train?
I can do this. Don't worry, I won't let you fall.
The train is across. Yay!
Woohoo! Grab on, Sasquatch.
Whoa! Yahoo!
We saved the elephant train and the snow cone.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
That was exciting.
I suggest we repair the bridge for next time.
Hey, look at this.
A snow cone.
There's a card.
How? Yeah. Hi.
What's it say?
It says, "Dear Animal Mechanicals, thanks for helping us. I hope you enjoy this snow cone." It's from the elephant train.
You mean this snow cone is for us to eat? Woohoo!
What about fixing the bridge?
Oh, I think we have time to eat a snow cone first.
Mechanic, can we do it? We
Animal Mechanical can!
Snow cones! Yummy!
Mechana Pinball Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good Good morning, animal mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today.
Wonderful.
Your destination is Mechana Pinball Island.
That sounds cool!
What's a mechana pinball?
Mechana pinballs are big balls that love to zip around in giant pinball games. The Mechana pinballs need you to pull the knob that shoots them into the game and push the flipper button that keeps them in the game. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Whoa! Here we are, Mechana Pinball Island.
That's the biggest pinball game I've ever seen.
And there are the pinballs. I think the Mechana pinballs are ready to play.
What are we supposed to do again?
First, we have to pull that giant knob there so that the spring will shoot the Mechana pinballs into the game.
I want to pull the knob. It's too big and heavy for me to pull.
Why don't we all try to pull the knob together?
All right.
Great!
Good thinking.
Let's do it.
It's not moving.
Even together, we're not strong enough.
Then it's time for me to be Rex! Mechana Strong!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
I love watching Rex pull stuff.
Look at it go!
Wow! Hey! The pinball's in the hole!
Here goes the next one.
Hey! It came out again.
The Island Owl said we also need to push the flipper button to keep the pinballs in the game.
I want to push the button. It's too high for me to reach.
Who can reach way up there?
Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Wait a minute. I can reach it. Behold, the mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Ready, Rex?
Here comes the pinball. Sasquatch, push the flipper button. Whoopee!
You did it!
The mighty Sasquatch playing pinball.
I wish I could play too.
It is a very big game, Mouse.
And I'm very small.
Hooray!
Hey!
Here goes the last pinball.
It missed its hole.
There's only one hole left, so it is very difficult to get the pinball in.
I just need to push the button harder. It's pounding time!
Sasquatch, it's not a good idea to pound the flipper button!
Sasquatch, stop pushing the button.
I'm not.
Not good! The flipper button is stuck!
Oops! Pounding flipper buttons is not a good idea. They get stuck.
We have to help stop the pinball.
It's going to get super dizzy.
I can't reach it through the glass.
Maybe, just maybe, if someone could get inside the game.
They might be able to help stop the pinball.
But the only way for someone to get into the game is through there. They would have to be very small.
And very fast to catch that speedy pinball.
Impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. I can do this.
Mouse, are you sure?
I'm going to need help. But when the going gets tough,
We team up!
Mouse! Mechana fast!
All right, she's in the game.
Are you ready for the ride of your life, Mouse?
I'm ready!
Go, Mouse, go!
She's fast!
Fast like a rocket.
Look out, Mouse!
Watch the springy thing.
Goodness, this is quite exciting!
You're fast, little pinball, but I'm Mechana fast!
Mouse did it.
Yes! We helped the Mechana pinballs play pinball.
And I got to play the coolest game ever!
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Yeah!
Look, the McKenna pinballs want us to play again.
Mechana, can we do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Balloon Volcano Island.
Animal Mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Great.
Your destination is Balloon Volcano Island.
A volcano! Cool!
And not just any volcano. Balloons come out of it.
Ooh, Mechana cool.
But there's a problem. The balloons are popping. And that makes the balloon volcano very sad.
Did you say popping?
Yes. Your mission is to stop the balloons from popping. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Balloon Volcano Island.
And there's the balloon volcano. It does look sad.
Look! A balloon!
Wow!
Cool!
Look at it go!
Balloon pops make me very nervous.
Another balloon!
Let's follow it and see why it pops.
Follow the balloon!
Faster!
The wind is blowing the balloon too fast for us to catch up to it.
I can't run that fast. My feet are very sensitive.
It's impossible!
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. I'm fast enough. Mouse! Mechana fast!
All right!
Oh, yeah! She's fast.
Fast like a rocket!
The balloons are popping on those funny rocks. I wonder why. Huh? Rocks don't move. And rocks don't squeak. Aw, you're not rocks. You're cute little animals with sharp, pointy spikes. Hi, I found out what's making the balloons pop. These little guys.
What are they?
Mechana hedgehogs. Fascinating creatures. The spikes on their backs have grown unusually long and pointy.
I see what's happening. The balloons float down here on the breeze and pop on the hedgehog's long, pointy spikes.
Precisely. We need to take the hedgehogs back to their hedge home so the balloons don't land on them and pop.
Where is their hedge home?
Look! There's the hedge.
Over this way, Hedge.
The hedge is running away.
It must be scared of balloon pops.
Just like Komodo.
We've got to get the hedgehogs back in their hedge so the balloons will stop popping on their pointy spikes.
That means we have to catch that hedge.
Catch that hedge!
The hedge keeps running away.
We'll never catch it.
It's running away because it gets scared when the balloons pop.
We need to find a way to stop the balloons from landing on the hedgehogs and popping.
Yeah, then the hedge will stay still and we can catch it.
Uh-oh, the wind's blowing another balloon here.
Whoa! Back balloon, blow away!
How can we keep the balloons from blowing here?
If only we could blow them the other way.
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Pop it before it pops, Unicorn!
Look! Unicorn is using her magic horn to make wind and keep the balloon away. Yay!
Hiya! Now the balloon can't come down and pop.
Okay, Balloon, you stay there. No popping.
Yay! Now the hedgehogs can go into their hedge.
Oh no! Another balloon! I can't keep doing this all day. Can they hurry up and get in?
Go on, hedgehogs. Into your hedge. Shoot! Why aren't they going in?
If you observe carefully, the hedgehog's spikes have grown extremely long and pointy.
I know! They can't fit through the hole in the hedge anymore. Poor hedgehogs.
Maybe we could do something about their long spikes.
I know! They need a haircut! A spike cut!
But how can you trim a mechanic hedgehog's spikes?
Animal mechanicals can do anything. Komodo! Mechanicismo! Whoa! Hi-ya! No. Nope. My rubber ducky! What are you doing in there? Aha! Mighty mechanic clippers to the rescue! Hold still, hedgehogs. Ta-da!
The mechanic hedgehog's spikes aren't long and pointy anymore.
Now they can fit in their hedge.
And they won't pop any more balloons with them either.
I think the hedgehogs are happy about that.
Yeah!
Yay!
We stopped the balloons from popping.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
Look! The balloon volcano is happy now.
Whew, no more popping.
Oops. Sorry, that was me. I sat on a balloon.
Get me out of here!
Looks like our next mission is to get Komodo out of that tree. Mechanic, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!
Mechanibat Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your destination is Mechanibat Island.
Mechanibats. Cool.
The Mechanibats are great flyers. They love to put on flying shows in their bat cave.
Flying shows? Ooh, I love to fly.
The Mechanibats want to put on their biggest flying show ever. Just for you.
Goody.
But their bat cave is too small for their show. Your mission is to make their cave bigger. Mechana, can you do it?
We animal mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Yeah! Mechana-Bat Island.
That must be the Mechana-Bat Cave.
Animal mechanicals on the move.
Wow! This Mechana-Bat Cave is awesome! Look! The Mechana-Bats!
Whoa!
They're saying hello.
Hello, little bats! We're here to make your cave bigger so you can put on your flying show.
I hope they let me be in their show. I'm a good flyer, too.
Yeah! You sure are!
How are we going to make this cave bigger?
I wonder what's on the other side of this Mechana-block wall. Whoa! Look at that! There's another big cave right on the other side of this wall.
Excellent! All we have to do is knock down the Mechana-block wall and join up the two caves.
Then the Mechana-Bats will have lots of room to fly.
How are we going to knock down this wall?
It's pounding time!
Sasquatch! Pounding Mechana-blocks is not a good idea!
Pounding Mechana-blocks is not a good idea.
I knew that.
What is the best way to take apart Mechana-blocks?
Maybe with some kind of sharp tool? To break them up?
Nope, nothing sharp around here.
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! No! No! Smelly suck! One mighty Mechana pickaxe to the rescue!
Blocks out of the cave to make room. Heavy.
I'm not strong enough to move them either.
Let me try. Even the mighty Sasquatch is not strong enough.
It's impossible!
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. Rex! Mechana Strong!
I love watching Rex move heavy stuff.
Animal mechanical team time!
Yay! Let's check out the cave.
We made the cave big enough for a Mechana-Bat flying show.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Hooray!
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Whoopee!
Woohoo! Flying show. Go, Bats!
Unicorn, is everything okay?
I really wanted to be in the flying show, too. I'm a good flyer.
You're a great flyer. But this is the Mechana-Bat's special show.
I know. They're wonderful.
Maybe you can do a flying show for us all after.
Yeah, if there's time.
Why did they stop? Is the show over already?
Let me hear what they're saying. The mechanobats say they can't fly in the new part of the cave.
Why not?
They say it's too dark there. We won't be able to see them.
That is because there are no lights in that part of the cave.
But we didn't bring any lights.
I'm afraid the show is over.
Aww.
Unless there's something we can do.
Animal mechanicals can do anything! Unicorn! Mechana fly!
What's she doing?
She's using her magic horn to light up the cave. Cool!
Big flying show! Woohoo!
Wow!
Great light show, Unicorn! Wow! Look at them fly!
Very impressive.
What are they doing now?
I think they're trying to get Unicorn to fly with them in their show.
Me? In the flying show?
Well, what are you waiting for, Unicorn?
Okay, Bat, here I come.
Woohoo! This is the greatest flying show ever!
Unicorn, you're the biggest mechanobat I've ever seen.
Now that Unicorn's part of the show, looks like we're going to have to make this cave even bigger. Mechana, can we do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Flying Glitterfish Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Right.
Okay.
Your destination is Flying Glitterfish Island.
Flying glitterfish? Cool!
The glitterfish need the octopus's power bubbles to help them fly. The bubbles give them energy. But one of the power bubbles is missing. Now that it's gone, the glitterfish are getting very tired and sleepy.
Sleepy glitterfish, not good.
Your mission is to find the precious power bubble. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Flying Glitterfish Island.
Look! The glitterfish!
Huh. They're not flying very fast.
And they're not very glittery.
That is because they are running out of energy.
They need their power bubble. Poor fishies.
Why are they poking that funny statue?
It has power bubbles. And if you observe carefully, one is missing.
We have to find it. But where should we look?
I hear something.
What is it, Mouse?
Look! That gadget crab has the power bubble.
Gadget crabs love to steal things.
Catch it! Quick!
It's getting away!
It's too fast to catch.
No one is fast enough to catch that crab.
I'm fast. I think I'm even fast enough to catch a gadget crab. Mouse! Mechana fast!
Mouse is fast!
Fast like a rocket.
Go, Mouse! Yeah! Whoa, she's fast!
You're fast, crab, but I can go even faster. Gotcha. This power bubble sure is cool. Ouch! Hey! Oops.
I've got it!
I've got it!
I didn't get it.
Neither did I.
Oh no! The power bubble is floating away.
Look! It's coming down again. Phew. Uh-oh.
Now it's inside that mechana clam.
We have to get it out.
No clam is a match for the mighty Sasquatch.
Sasquatch, mechanic clams are extremely difficult to open.
Oh. Did you know that mechanic clams are extremely difficult to open?
I knew that.
I don't think we can force this clam open.
There must be some other way to open a mechana clam.
What do the bolts do?
If I am correct, and I always am, these bolts keep the clam shut tightly.
So maybe if we loosen the bolts, we could open the clam.
Animal mechanicals making it happen. They're on very tight.
Too tight to turn.
If only we had some sort of tool to loosen them.
Nope, no tools around here.
Hi, I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa. No. Nope. Teddy! What are you doing in there? One mighty mechana wrench to the rescue!
Handy dandy tool time!
It's working! The clam's opening!
The power bubble! Way to go, Komodo!
Woohoo!
No need to thank me, Glitterfish. The magnificent Komodo is always happy to help. Now I shall put your bubble back where it belongs.
I want to put it back.
Oh no! The bubble's blowing away
time it's not coming back.
After that bubble!
The wind is going to blow it right off the island.
Come back, Bubble!
There's nothing we can do to stop it.
It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Catch that bubble, unicorn!
Hurry!
Missed! Got to try again.
You can do it, Unicorn!
I can do this.
Look! She's using her magic horn to make wind.
Fascinating. She's blowing the bubble back.
Almost there.
Yes! The power bubble is back where it belongs. Unicorn did it!
Yeah!
But nothing's happening. Oh, never mind.
Wow! It's so pretty!
And look! The flying glitterfish have their energy back.
Whoa! Fascinating.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
What's happening?
It's the gadget crab.
Now it's stolen Komodo!
Looks like we have a Komodo snatching crab to catch. Mechanic, can we do it?
We
Animal Mechanical can!
Ooh,